Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the class where you want to run the session. This saves time versus juggling multiple tabs. Once there, use the Meet Link area or Open Settings and create a Meet Link. This attaches permanently to the class header. Make sure to name the meeting clearly and schedule or post immediately, because that lets students join from the stream or classwork cards. You do this now so links and permissions are ready before the live session, avoiding last-minute chaos. Once done creating the link, configure meeting controls to manage student interaction. Restrict screen sharing if needed and set who can present to prevent interruptions. Next, post the link in Stream or attach it to a classwork assignment with date, time, and an agenda so students know what to prepare. Then run a quick audio and camera test and verify at least one student can join. This reveals permission issues early and ensures your planned activities will run. You begin the session from the class header and admit participants as they arrive. Use Mute All and Present controls to manage flow and record if needed for absentees. During the meeting, assign co-hosts or breakout rooms to keep activities organized and monitor chat for quick questions. If someone cannot join, immediately check that the classroom Meet Link matches the calendar invite. Confirm the student is signed into the correct account or domain, and ask them to clear cache or try an incognito window.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.